Okay, so the formula bar up here is made up of two parts. So the first part is this section here, which is known as the name box, and then this section here is what's known as the formula bar. There's three little dots in between the name box and the formula bar, and clicking on those three little dots allows you to make either the name box bigger by moving it to the right, or the formula box bigger by moving it to the left. As I mentioned earlier, clicking on moving around your cells down here, by clicking, you'll see that one of the cells is highlighted, and that's the active cell. And as I said, the name box will show which cell it is that's active. So in this case, it's K14, which is column K, row 14. So the formula box up here will show the contents of whatever it is that is typed into this cell. So if I type in name, we see that it appears here in the formula box. Okay, so to edit the contents of a cell, you can double click on the cell and delete, or you can go up to your formula cell box up here and add in more text and see that it appears in the cell. Sometimes we might type something that in this case doesn't fit in the cell. It's wider than the width of the row that the row or the column that we're working in. So in that case, you might want to make the cell a little bit wider. So to do that, you can move your mouse up between the two columns. So see here, I have a little fat white cross as a symbol for my mouse. When I move up between K and L, my mouse turns into a single line and a double-headed black arrow. And when I get my mouse into that shape, I can just double click on the left side of my mouse, and it makes the the column wide enough to fit the contents. Alternatively, I can, when it's like that shape, I can hold down the left side of my mouse and drag it wider or narrower, depending on what I want to do. Okay. I can do the exact same thing with rows. I can come over here and the mouse again will turn into the same symbol, and I can hold down the left side of my mouse and make my row taller or shorter, depending on what I want to do. Okay. So that's just a handy little feature, and it is one that you will definitely use. So look at the different shapes that your mouse takes on depending on the cells that you're in. So when you want to make something wider, you want that black shape like that, either on the column or either on the row or on the column.